So now let me teach you how to use a friend as a class, as an object. Okay, so I'm going to empty projects. Okay, next. Okay, so let me call this, what's the name we want to call? One use two. This one is shorter one, so I write everything together. It's okay. A new item right here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do this right now. So here I am going to use one use two. So first I need to say one. Okay, that's one. One. Okay, it's one. Now one is going to use two. So we write two right now. Okay. All right. So two. Public. All right. And print. And I have one here. Okay, and which I'm going to allow you use, so that's X. So right now I refer to one. All right, so far okay. Then I am going to, so one is going to use two. Okay, so first two has a print method allow one to retrieve it. So that's right one right now. Okay, so all right, so one has A and B as now, and we're going to say this right now. We're going to say we're going to have a friend, but this friend is not a method. This friend is from our tool and print. That's the method, and it allow me to use, so refer to myself. Okay. By the way, I wrote the wrong column. The scope resolution is like that way. Okay. All right. So then I have that. Then I'm going to say public. Okay. Let me put it a little bit nicer for me. It's okay. I'm going to say my one. Okay. I have a default constructor, and my default constructor A is 1. Okay. Then B, I push 2 inside there. Is that okay? So then the code has nothing. It's okay? So the constructor 1 is 1 assigned to A. So this means 1 assigned to A and 2 assigned to B. Okay, 1 assigned to A, 2 assigned to B. All right, so now I'm going to say this right now. Okay, one object. Okay, and 2, then 2 objects. All right, so I have that right now. Then remember, 1 is going to use 2. So 2 is a friend, right? Friend need to say it first. So 2 object, okay, and the print method is going to allow 1 to use it. All right, so let's take a look at the code right here. Let's take a look at the code here. So now you are going to use sorry, public. Oh, that's okay. Let's run it right now. Okay. Hold on. Let me see what I did do wrong. Okay. So I have a class 1 here. Did I write something wrong? Here, let me see. Alright, that's my friends. My friend. Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't write my right here. Okay. Now I need to make it a function, right? I did not write it. Where's that thing go? Okay, here. Alright, so I'm going to copy this, Control X, okay. So I'm going to copy this and put the before here. Is that okay? Put before right here. Alright, so I'm going to have this right now, and whatever I call this, I'm going to see out, and A equal I call it X, right? Alright, so X dot A and CL B equal, I call it X, right? So X dot B. Okay, so now the function right here, notice the function is going to be shared among A and B. So it has to be outside. It's not inside the 2. It's not inside here too, but it's outside. It's running right now. So I can print this right now. For this program, you have a class. It's called A, right? You also have a class called 2. It's called 1. The other called 2. 1 is using one function inside the 2. It's different from the first one. The first one is using a friend method, but now this one is using a method from a friend. Alright, so I complete this assignment.